Hi everybody. Today we shall learn about Hershey and Chase experiment on T2 bacteria page. Actually, what is the rationale behind this experiment is this experiment is proves the further authentication of Avery, MacLeod and McCarthy experiment. Related, what is the rationale means when page virus are added to bacteria, they adsorb to the outer surface. Some material enters the bacterium and then they later each bacterium lyses to release large number of progeny page. Actually, some material enters the bacterium. What is entered in bacteria? Which material entered into the bacteria? We have two options. One is DNA or protein. These actually what tells about the which one among these two, which one is a genetic material. So this is what the rationale behind the Hershey and Chase experiment on T2 bacteriophage. Here, one of the basic concept in the molecular chemistry of DNA and protein is DNA contains phosphorus, the basic concept, and protein contains sulfur. Protein is made of amino acid. Amino acid contains sulfur only in the case of cysteine and methionine. With this basic idea, Hershey and Chase designed an experiment. He took bacteriophage. What is bacteriophage? The virus which affects bacteria is called bacteriophage. This bacteriophage contains two parts. One is DNA, another one is protein coat is called capsule. This is protein and this is DNA. He took sulfur, that is a radioactive sulfur, and he labeled radioactive sulfur on protein capsule. And he made infect on bacteria. This process is called infection. Deliberately he infect on bacteria, infection. After infection, that bacteria enter the one of the material, that means the DNA enter into the bacteria. Then next one is blending. Actually, this is nothing but this blending is nothing but it is it is subjected to blender, like a mixie. One blender is there, McDonald's blender. Slight shaking, so that the loose adhering particles are getting enter into the what means this bacterial cytoplasm, and it will not be intact. That is for blending. Then blending is followed by a third process called centrifugation. As a result of centrifugation, there are two results. One is supernatant solution, another one is bacterial cell is sedimented. So in that centrifugation process, no sulfur detected in cell. In that bacterial cell sedimented, in that sedimentation contain no sulfur cell. But the supernatant solution contain what? The protein coat. This protein coat is made of what? This radioactive sulfur. So radioactive sulfur is found in supernatant solution. Next, so in this first part of experiment, the protein coat is bounded with radioactive sulfur, tagged with radioactive sulfur. Then the second one is here. He took the same experiment. Instead of labeling the protein capsule, he labeled the DNA. Since the DNA contained phosphorus, as I told you, so DNA is labeled with radioactive phosphorus, the 32P. Then he made infect into the bacteria. Then after that, after the DNA is enter into the bacteria, he undergoes another process, blending, the loose shaking. So that after blending, it followed by a centrifugation. Blending is followed by centrifugation. As a result of centrifugation, finally these bacterial cells are sedimented and the supernatant solution result. When you analyze the supernatant solution, there is no phosphorus detected in supernatant solution. But the radioactive phosphorus is detected in cell. Since the phosphorus contains DNA, the cell also contains DNA. That DNA is labeled with radioactive phosphorus. That radioactive phosphorus DNA is present in where? Cell, not in supernatant solution. So with this experiment, he concluded that only DNA is the transforming material which transfer from virus to bacteria. So this is what the conclusion of this experiment. DNA carries the hereditary information from virus to bacteria is transferred, not protein. So, with this experiment, Hershey-Chase experiment on T2 bacteriophage proves that DNA as a final authenticated genetic material which enters into the what means the bacteria and which transform the information from one generation to another generation. Okay, I hope you understood about the Hershey-Chase experiment. Next class we will study about the molecular chemistry of DNA. Thank you. Have a nice day.